Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is, to my knowledge, a one-of-a-kind. We have an offset stick burner with a charcoal grill ability built into it, your smoke chamber for your meats, and guess what? We also have a hopper for a pellet grill or a pellet smoker. So we have an offset smoker and a pellet smoker and a charcoal grill all in one Gator Pit. That's Gator Pit, guys. What we do, we design, we stay a step ahead of everybody else, man. We lead the way. I've always said Gator Pit leads the way. To my knowledge, I have not seen or heard of anyone having this anywhere. Not any of the other pit builders. If they do, I have not seen it anywhere. Again, this is a stick burner or a stick smoker, wood smoker, using real wood logs. Also a charcoal grill to cook directly over charcoal if you want to grill steaks or burgers or dogs. You've got your smoke chamber, that's for your meat to cook low and slow, either with real wood logs, cut and split, or with wood pellets. So you can start off with a wood smoker using your offset wood or stick firebox, and then finish out the rest of the day or the evening or the night by turning on your pellet hopper and letting that finish your meat for the rest of the night. Pretty cool setup by Gator Pit, guys. Some of y'all saying, well, where are the legs and wheels? Well, it doesn't have any. This is actually a temporary stand because this is going on a pedestal that's getting installed at a guy's outdoor kitchen in his patio. So it's actually going to be on a pedestal stand at that customer's house. So it has no legs or wheels on it. Otherwise, it would have legs and wheels like everything else we build. Let me walk you around the back of it. Dual burnout stacks, temperature gauges, ball valve drains, pellet dump for emptying your unspent pellets, stainless steel upgraded hopper, 35-pound hopper, and of course all your internals, grease pans, heat shields. Take the grease pan and heat shield out when you're using the offset firebox, put them in when you're using the pellet. I'm Ritch Robin. Let me close it up, show you what it's like when it's closed. Here we go. Pretty. There we go. How's that? Gator Pit, guys. Gator Pit barbecue pits, custom cookers, designed by Ritch, built by Gator Pit. See ya.